of the screen letting you know why the product could not be created. After your product has been created, it can be managed from the Modify a Product page. This page will allow you to alter any product information, as well as upload a product image or registration codes for the item. We can even delete the product profile by selecting the Delete button at the bottom of the page. We also have options to import as well as export our product information in a CSV formatted file. Now that we have created a product, we can then create a link for this product to place on our website to be able to offer this product for purchase. To do this, we will need to visit the shopping cart menu. From this menu, we can choose to create a product link. This will allow us to select a product we want to create a link for. Once selected, we can then choose the buy or checkout image we would like to use. You can specify the URL of a stored image if you would prefer to use a custom image. Then we can create the link. Once we create the link, a box full of HTML code will appear with an image of the button directly below it. Another box of HTML code will be located directly below the first one, and this box is for the checkout button. The difference between the two is that the Buy or Add to Cart button will take your customer to the cart with the product, while the Checkout button will just take the customer back to the cart without adding any products. The Checkout button will allow customers who are shopping for more than one item to return back to the cart to check out without adding additional items. All we need to do at this point is select all the code and then copy it. We will then want to paste this code into our website wherever we would like the button to appear. In this example, I am using Adobe Dreamweaver, and I can quickly paste this code in and take a look at the live code in production and see the image of the button appear. This button is now ready to go, and whenever the link is selected, the customer will be redirected to the cart. This process would be repeated for however many products we wanted to add to our website. If you wanted to use a Paytrace hosted catalog listing of products, you are also able to create that link to view a catalog as well. This page will allow you to create a link and control the settings for how your catalog will operate. You can also choose your style of buttons and links that will appear. Creating the link and copying the code will be an identical process to that of creating a product link. We will simply want to copy and paste this code to create a link to our product catalog. We also have access to the donation or custom payments portion of the shopping cart as well. Please be sure to watch the Paytrace Basics shopping cart training video to learn more about these options. Now that we have learned how to create and link products to our site, we can now focus on how our cart looks and operates. Under the shopping cart menu, the first option is to manage the shopping cart design. This will allow you to control the background and font colors of your shopping cart. There are several default colors provided. However, you can use any color by providing its HTML color code in the custom color section. We can also upload a banner or logo into the header of the cart or the background to brand the shopping cart as your own. The next option is to manage the shopping cart, which controls how the shopping cart will function. Important items on this page include specifying what type of transaction you want the cart to run when processing an order, and where your terms and conditions for credit card acceptance are located. All customers must agree to your terms and conditions when processing a transaction, and this is the web page URL where those terms and conditions, refund or exchange policies are displayed for your customers to view. A valid URL will need to be provided here. If you need to charge tax based upon counties within a state, you will need to make sure to have the Prompt for Shipping County toggle turned on. However, if you are charging tax per state and not per county, you will want this toggle set to Do Not Prompt. If you are not charging tax for your products, this will want to be set to Do Not Prompt. We can choose to have tax applied to both the product and the shipping, or just the product from the next toggle. We can add an authentication text to the cart that will require customers to fill in a sketched letter and number combination to help reduce fraudulent transactions. We can change the custom payments title of the cart as explained in the PayTrace Basic shopping cart training video. And we can also apply a surcharge to the shopping cart, which can be a fixed amount or percentage rate. After making any changes, be sure to click the Save Your Changes button down at the bottom of the page. The next option we have is for setting regional taxes. This page allows us to set a specific amount to charge per state. If we select the state title, we can then apply tax amounts per county within the state. The shopping cart settings will control if the state or county tax amounts are used when calculating the tax amount for the order. Specific countries may be excluded so that they may not be chosen during the checkout process. From this page, you can hold your Control or Shift keys to make multiple selections of countries you do not want to accept transactions from. Once the country is highlighted in blue, it will be removed from your cart and will not be allowed to process an order. There are a handful of follow-up videos to this shopping cart training. Please be sure to check out the shipping setup, coupon management, and custom data element videos to learn about additional functionality within the shopping cart. This concludes the shopping cart training video.